Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on the 7th of April 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -2.89%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.96% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $503.19 be breached, it will indicate a stronger rate of decline. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 11.95% over the next 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between -14.18% and 16.43%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 35.44%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 32.63% and 100.62% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $684.71 and $1,035.72. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, "Big movements in Meta stock price on Monday, moving 11.91% between high and low." The Meta stock price gained 2.28% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, rising from $504.73 to $516.25. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.91%. with a day low at $481.90 and a day high of $539.29. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 16.58% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares traded for approximately $18.55 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 30.32%, or $224.64, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, we explore the latest developments surrounding Meta Platforms, commonly referred to as META, as the company navigates a turbulent market landscape influenced by global trade tensions. Recent commentary suggests that we find ourselves in the midst of a fog of a global trade war, yet opportunities may emerge, particularly within the technology sector. These models are designed for multimodal applications, highlighting Meta's commitment to leading advancements in artificial intelligence. This initiative could enhance Meta's competitive edge, potentially strengthening investor confidence in the long term. However, the backdrop of rising tariffs under President Trump's administration has placed pressure on technology stocks, including Meta, leading to a sell-off that has continued for several sessions. This situation raises questions about immediate stock performance amid concerns regarding profitability due to the impacts of tariffs. Additionally, Meta is considering expansion in India through discussions with a major local firm, which could open up significant growth opportunities in one of the largest markets in the world. This expansion strategy may offer long-term benefits, especially if it leads to successful partnerships. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Meta a strong buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Meta a sector perform grade together with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform grade with a hold action. Also on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned Meta a buy grade along with a hold action. Finally, on that same day, Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.28%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The Meta stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $553.66 and $618.25. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $504.73. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $57.39 between its high and low, representing an 11.91% fluctuation. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.56%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.33. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $531.62. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $504.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 31st of March, 2025, Olive and Javier performed an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 25th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer again conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Olive and Javier executed another insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Olive and Javier conducted an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU, classified as Class A. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 14.878. In summary, insiders purchased a total of 202,871 shares and sold 153,690 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently no stop loss has been established. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta currently exhibits several negative signals and is caught in a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we anticipate Meta to open lower by $3.77, starting the session at $512.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.